Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. This is super easy, super simple. I got this recipe off the Forks Over Knives website, and I made one little change, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But what I've got going over here first is I roasted some sweet potatoes for 45 minutes on 375. I peeled them, I quartered them, and so they're in this bowl. And to that I'm going to add 1 cup of brown rice, and I'm going to add a cup of salsa, and we're going to mash this up. Get this mashed up a little bit. Then we're going to add a cup of spinach. I'm just going to eyeball this. I'm going to say that looks like a cup. If you need to measure, you go right ahead. So I'm just going to continue mashing this up till it's all incorporated. So in this saucepan, I have 8 ounces of black beans, which I rinsed and drained. I've got 8 ounces of refried black beans. The original recipe calls for refried pinto beans. I couldn't find refried pinto beans with no oil, which is what I wanted, so I ended up getting the black beans, but I don't think it's gonna really matter. So to this, I'm gonna add my sweet potato concoction here. And we're going to just mix this all together. I did add a little bit of water to the pan just to help it mix better. So I'm just going to get this all incorporated. Now that I've got this pretty well mixed, I'm going to add my spices. I've got a little salt, I have a little cumin, I have a little chili powder. I'll give the exact measurements in the description box. So let's just get this mixed in. So I have a pan heating up. Now we're gonna make these just like your traditional quesadilla. Again, I'm still using the siete cassava flour tortillas. So we're gonna just put one in the pan. Put some of the filling. Even it out a bit. Then we will put another tortilla on top, squish it down, and just let it brown on one side. We'll flip it and brown on the other. And we're back, and we're done. So I paired it with a little slaw and some salsa. I'm just going to spoon a little salsa on here. Here we go. Interesting. I like it though. You know, you've got that sweetness from the sweet potatoes, the heartiness of the beans and the rice. Super hearty, and this will be very filling. And see the inside there. Yeah, and I like the spinach. Yeah, it's a good combo. I like it. Well done, Forks Over Knives. This one's a winner. It's good for you, it's good for the planet, and it's good for the animals. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.